Good morning, guys. Bloody beautiful day. Look at it. Sun's out, birds out, a few clouds in the sky. But what we're doing today is, I think this is like part 5 of the G8 modifications. No, we're definitely moving the heater hoses. I've got that kit. I've got new fog lights. I've got a new rock light kit, taking it from an 8 to a 12 so we can actually put a couple in the trunk. And I think that's about it. Was trying to get the console painted so we could get the head unit and that in, but we'll see. Not sure if that happened. But anyway, we are headed on down to the shop, and I guess I'll see you guys there. Alright, so here we are at the shop. There's the good old unicorn. So got the old heater hoses right here, which obviously you know where they mount. So Mavrickman carbon is where I got the relocation kit for the heater hoses. So those are basically it. So they're going to be much better than the standard hoses. And then I got some fog lights from Mavrickman carbon as well. So let's check those out. Obviously, there's the little stockies, and there's the LEDs. They're going to be much better. Also, I mentioned the RGB kit, the rock lights, so I got the 12 kit instead of the 8. So then what we can do is run a couple under the parcel shelf in the rear, so the trunk will be illuminated with the rest of the RGB kit. So I got the relocation kit. I can't even speak bloody right, eh? I said relocation. Can I have another drink, mate? God, anyway, got the relocation. I said it again. Got the relocation kit. There we go.
Shamalama ding dong.
Say what?
Shamalama ding dong.
Something like that. Anyway, so we're just prepping the bay to get that in right now. So obviously that's the origin of the heater core right there. It runs down along there, and then we go down to the water pump, which is right there.
Okay, so you go under there too. Around that. Down.
Both hoses are in the water pump, and then there's a little mounting bracket on the side right there, right here. I can't even see it on camera. There we go. And then obviously running up to the core. Before we get started, I wanted to take you into the paint booth real quick and show you a 65 vet that's getting resprayed. So Dan's got that in there now, all primed up. So let's just go take a look at that real quick. Dan's about to throw a coat of base over the console, so we're going to go do that now. Just another quick one today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We didn't get to put the eggshell clear on the console because there was a couple little pieces of trash in it, so now we have to turn around and put some gloss clear on it, get some sanding happening, and then we can put the eggshell on. It should be good to go. But yeah, there she is. It's getting closer. But appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you want. You don't have to, but it helps me. Do you want to help me? You want to help me, of course you do. Anyway, appreciate you guys. Peace out.